Welcome folks. This is another article from the Hindu 1st of Jan 2023. Uh, got 22 drones with the weapons drugs in 2022 from across border BSF. The security force also seized 316.988 kg of heroin, killed two intruders and apprehended 23 Pakistani nationals in the last year in different incidents. This is an article of 1st Jan, so this is an overall report of 2022. The article is amid persistent concern over drugs, money, weapons, and explosive being pushed from across the border from Pakistan into Indian territory. At least 22 drones were captured by the BSF in 2022. According to BSF, which is involved in safeguarding the 553 kilometer, that is 553 kilometer India-Pakistan border, international border of Punjab in 2022, they successfully detected and captured 22 drones. 22 drones. Okay. The BSF also seized 317 kg of heroin, besides 67 weapons and 850 rounds. These are way too big. The force who also killed two intruders and apprehended 23 Pakistan nationals in different incidents. In a display of humanitarian approach, the BSF handed over 9 Pakistan who had inadvertently crossed the international border to Pakistan Rangers. Concern over drones in Punjab, the opposition parties have been consistently raising concern over the smuggling of weapons, drugs, and from Pakistani side using drones. Earlier this month, former Punjab Chief Minister, and Bharatiya Janata Party leader Amarendra Singh met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and later said that he deliberately over the prevailing situation in Punjab against the backdrop of deteriorating law and order conditions. He expressed concern over smuggling of weapons and drugs through drones from Pakistan, which he said were finding their way into the hands of those who were trying to disturb peace in the state. Governor's visit. Governor Banwarilal Purohit had visited the state's border districts of Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Taran, Firozpur, and Fazilka in April. Sorry for any mispronunciation, or any misspelled word. Please bear it, guys. So the in April and September this year, to take stock of a security scenario, he had held a meeting with officers from central and state government agency and village heads. Other prominent people in this district, and specifically sought cooperation from local to become eye and ears of the security forces. He had also urged them to inform the police and other security agency if they found any nefarious activity, including airdropping of drugs, weapons via drones or other means from across the international borders. Thank you, guys.